Draw a refreshing juice glass perfect for the summer season. To begin, draw a horizontal straight line. Then, draw two slanting lines and connect the bottom to form a curved U shape. Inside the U shape, draw a curvy line for the glass and add an L shape for the straw. Use a light red color to draw squares representing ice cubes. And then color the entire glass with a vibrant dark red shade. To finish off, add some white highlights to the ice cubes for a cool and refreshing effect. Voila! Your summer-themed juice glass drawing is complete. Enjoy the sunshine while sipping your imaginary drink.